Good morning, Mom. Good morning to my fellow classmates. I'm Irami L. Toboro, and my task today is to discuss the second principle of arts, balance. Balance in art refers to the sense of distribution of perceived visual weights that offset one another. We feel more comfortable and therefore find it more pleasing when the parts of an artwork seems to balance each other. Okay, and the balance and principle of design, it plays a crucial role in creating visual appealing and effective composition, and it ensures that the elements are arranged in a way that feels stable and harmonious. And when we say visual weight, it is the heaviness or the importance of an element in design. It's not determined by actual physical weight, but by the factors such as size, color, contrast, density, and composition. In addition, the visual weights have ability of an elements within composition to draw attention itself, the way to attract attention. Balance can occur with all elements of design: line, shape, space, form, value, color, and texture. If these six elements are balanced, it can create visual appealing, and also it can create satisfaction to the artist and also to the viewer also. Three kinds of balance. First, symmetrical or formal balance. Next, asymmetrical or informal balance. And third, radial balance. Symmetrical balance, in other term, formal balance or classical balance. Symmetrical or formal balance is when elements on both sides of a central line appear to be about equal. The objects of the two sides have the same attraction. This kind of balance gives sense of dignity and precision. So in symmetrical or formal balance, the both sides of a central lines appears to be about equals, and two sides have the same attraction. So I have here an example artwork of symmetrical formal balance that shows that both sides have the same attraction. So first, as you can see the picture, the both sides are equal attraction. So next, this artwork is The Last Supper by Leonardo da Vinci. Next, Handling Christ. Christ handling the case to Saint Peter by Pietro Perugino. As you can see, this artwork have the same attraction, both sides. Asymmetrical balance is when art elements appear to be different on both sides of a central line. The objects do not attract same attention. This kind of balance affords a greater opportunity for variety and arrangement. In symmetrical balance, both sides are same attraction, but in asymmetrical balance, the both sides have not same attraction or attention, but it's still balance. I have here an example artwork of a symmetrical balance that even the both sides have not the same attraction, but it's still balance. So first, Man on a Horseback Cruising a Bridge by Utaga Hiroshige. As you can see the picture, the both sides are equal, but the attraction are not equal, no? Because of the color and texture. So next, The Starry Night by Vincent van Gogh. As you can see, the other side of a dark and the other side of moon. It creates the picture balance, but the attraction of the both sides are not the same. So, another example of a symmetrical balance. So, a symmetrical balance has sides that are different but still visual balance. As what I have say kanina, no? It's still balance even the both sides are different, have different attraction. Radial balance is defined as a type of a visual balance where portion of an image radiate or extend from a center point in the frame. Radial balance happens when all the elements radiate out the center point. So I have here an example of radial balance artworks. So as you can see, the center point is nag-e-extend talaga siya sa frame niya. Radial balance, the kind of balance used in any arrangement of furniture and decorative objects, helps an individual quality to a group. As you can see the example artwork kanina no sa radial balance, magagamit talaga yun sa mga furniture or decorative object. Balance is very important in artwork. As you can see, the examples of artwork and three kinds of balance, diba? As you can see, all those artwork is very beautiful and creative and unique. That's how a balance used in artwork, and it is very because it's play a very crucial role. And thank you for listening. That's all my task to report today.